What up? What up, guys? This is the Kenyan Hexagon once again, and we are looking at Bitcoin. Yeah, actually, I'm just compelled to talk about Bitcoin because right now it is giving us a very significant uh, chart that is making a lot of sense, and it is good that we are talking about these. It's like more or less like we are calling the dip. The dip is that point where price has gone down and it gives you a good opportunity maybe to buy, and price is actually communicating. So basically, this is the Bitcoin chart, and it is showing how Bitcoin has been performing um, since 2021, right? Yeah, since 20, not 2021, since 2025. Yeah, actually just this chart only here. Let me adjust it once more. Yeah, so now this chart is showing Bitcoin at this area here when it was at around $126,000, and you can see that was around October, in October 2025. Yeah, you can see here below, and then you can see how price has been on a bearish trend. You can see even the yellow trend line is showing how price has been showing the, how is it called, it is showing the rejection from these points, these 2 points, these points, and now it is on the third one. And now this third one is actually very significant, and it is giving us a very important uh, opportunity, actually a very big opportunity to make major decisions, because now you can see once price went down up to this point around $60,000, you can see it has been accumulating all this period. This is accumulation where price is actually like consolidating, and you can see it is consolidating, but you can see there is a steady upward trend where price has rejected like almost 3 times right now, like some touches, this third touch here, and you can see this third touch, you can see there is a W where price had gone up, and then you can see here where price, it's actually, let me highlight that. We can use this tool here, these tools trend line. Yeah, I want the focused in geometrical shapes. Then I wanted a rectangle here where price is shown. Price is at this point. You can see this point there where price actually has been resisted around 3 times. Yeah, and now this is the third time. You can see now it is in the verge of breaking up. Okay, now this is what happens if price breaks on the upside from this now current rectangle zone that we are seeing here, which is acting as a resistance zone, and breaks out of the yellow resistance zone, which is also now the trend line. And yeah, once it breaks out and it retests, that will mean that price has made a very significant um, move, and now that will show that the bulls are actually now back. Yeah, so we'll keep on now seeing those trends where prices keeps on going up, accumulating again, maybe pulling back, or that is retesting, and then keep on going. But now these major resistance zones are showing that if price breaks out of this resistance zone, and even the yellow one, these are like two moves, and of course once it breaks, it has to retest either to the yellow or the purple rectangle. Yeah, and then now price will keep on doing that. I think even before price has been doing such a thing, and we are here just to watch and see what happens. Yeah, so you can see even now these other assets here. You can visit CoinGecko, where you are able to see the prices of several assets apart from Bitcoin. Now, of course, now we have several cryptocurrencies. Of course, we have very many categories. We have meme coins, we have NFTs, we have DeFi, we have AI coins, sports coin, like there are very many. So these are some of the assets that are trading right now. You can see the global market cap is now sitting at 2.6 trillion dollars. Yeah, and you can see again now Bitcoin is leading at almost $75,000. We have Ethereum trading at $2,365 and then now we have USDT at that is actually a stable coin. A stable coin means the price of that, it is just basically the price of the dollar that is now pegged to a blockchain. Now that blockchain is now the tether that we are talking about here. So yeah, we have that. We have USDC. We have quite very many stable coins. We have USDS. Yeah, these are some of the coins and tokens. Coins is when a coin, now like Bitcoin, it's under a blockchain. Now, so we have uh, Bitcoin blockchain. So the coin is Bitcoin. We have Ethereum blockchain. Now the coin is Ether. You see, and now we have XRP, which is now Ripple. Now the coin is XRP. Yeah, we have by Binance. Binance, the coin is BNB. Yeah, so that is what happens, and now these are some of the blockchains, and we have very many blockchains and tokens, and also uh coins, tokens, yeah, and quite so much. We have quite so much. Now these assets are also have different use cases. They are doing very many things for the market. Like you can just now interact with different blockchain because they are solving different things, or different they have, basically they just have different use cases. Yeah, so these are now the digital assets that you can be able maybe to invest or just have them, and you see you can also just transact with them. Maybe you are owning an asset, maybe you are maybe transacting. Yeah, you can use either Bitcoin, Ethereum, you transact. Yeah, so yeah, we have these and very many others. Yeah, so make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you are able to learn and also to interact with some of these, and also like get to know what they do and how they are performing. Yeah, so that is for today. Thank you very much. See you on the next video. Peace.